This is Homelink 10.9, a frequency table. Today we learned how to organize data in a frequency table. For today's Homelink, help your child count the number of electrical outlets in at least 8 different rooms. It would be best if the rooms were all in the same kind of building. For example, rooms in a house or apartment, rooms in the local library, or rooms in a school. The rooms don't have to be in the same building, though, because you might not have a building with 8 rooms that you are in at the moment. So feel free to use what you have. If you aren't able to get to another building, feel free to draw a picture of a building with rooms and put electrical outlets in the picture so you can use that. So let's just say room, what room we're going to use. So we could use a bedroom, kitchen, living room. We can use the bathroom, basement, and maybe another bedroom, and maybe have a mudroom, and then maybe a hallway. Alright, so we'll expand that a little bit so we can see the whole picture. So it doesn't matter which rooms, and like I said, you could even draw a picture. So this is how this works. In the bedroom, let's say you go around the bedroom, you check, you find one on one wall, one on another wall, and then the last one wall has 2, and then the last wall maybe there's none. So you found 4 in the bedroom. Okay, now for the kitchen, let's see, maybe you need extra outlets in the kitchen. Maybe there's 2 on each wall in the kitchen. So it's 2 walls, 3 walls, 4 walls. So you look, that's going to be 8. Okay, and then the living room, maybe you only found 4 in the living room. So however many you find, you put them there. Maybe your bathroom, you only have 2. Okay, your basement, maybe there were 3. The bedroom, maybe there were 5. Okay, the mudroom, maybe there was 1. The hallway, maybe you found 2. Okay, and so now what you've done, actually, you tallied them up, you got the number, and if it's easier to write the number first and then write the number of tallies, go ahead. That's fine. Okay, there's no specific order that you have to do it in. But you've actually created a data set here. Okay, because now we're going to need to find the median, the mean, and the mode. And so the first thing you need to do is put these numbers in order. Remember, that's what we always do with the data set. So I'm going to start with number 1, and when I use the number, I'm going to just put a check here so I don't forget that I used it. I only need 2 2s, and you have to write both 2s. Okay, and then I have 1 3, and then I have 2 4s. So I'm going to write 4 4, and then I have a 5, and then I have an 8. Okay. So this is my data set. The median is going to be the middle number. So remember how we find the median. We just cross off 1 on each end until we get to a middle number. So the median is between 3 and 4. So we could even say 3, 4. Okay, you could say that, or you could say 3.5. Because you could take the average of those two. That would be the median. It would be right in between. Alright, what is the mean, or the average number of outlets? So to do that, we have to add all these up. Okay, so 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. Plus 4 is 21. Plus 3 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. Plus 2 is 28. Plus 1 is 29. So it should equal 29. I'm going to add one more time to make sure. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5. Plus 7 is 12. Plus 9. 12 plus 9 is 21, plus 8 is 29. Okay, so 29 looks good. Then we have to divide this, though, to find the mean. We have to do 29, and I'll use a calculator for this one. 29 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divided by 8, because that doesn't divide evenly. And just go to the tenth, so it's 3.6. Okay. So if we shared all the outlets evenly, we'd have 3 outlets and then 6/10 of another outlet. So it would be like every room would have a broken piece of an outlet in it. Alright, kind of silly, but that's what it is. The mode of the data, that's the number that occurs the most often. There are 2 modes. because 2 and 4, there are 2 of both of those numbers, so 2 and 4 are the modes. Okay, so these are my answers, but depending on what you have for numbers and for tallies, your answers could be different. So this is HomeLink 10.9, a frequency table for grade 3 everyday math.